Then it is our BG800Z zipper bag forming 4-side seal packing machine. This machine with 2 mechanical arms to feeder. Also for the hydrogel patch, 1 pouch with 6 hydrogel pouch. They are a zipper guide. Yeah. Then, we heat the zipper. Use this. We heat the zipper. Use the sealer. Yeah. Then we form the bag here. Now the bag is forming. Because it is 2 lines, so we just adopt 1 easy tier device. Then we cut. Finally, output. This machine is 2 line, BG600. It is 2 line, 600. And we also have single line machine. They're not finished. It is single line machine. It is feeder for not hydrogel, for the normal patch. It is a 7-station feeder. Now it's lunchtime, so workers off work.